Good morning, dear students. Exercise 3.12, question number 7. See, music is played in two galleries. Gallery 1 G1, Gallery 2 G2. In Gallery 1, 4 singers are singing. Gallery 2, 9 singers. They are opposite to each other. And they are separated by a distance 70 meters. 70 meters. Okay. Here the question is, where should a person P stand, so that he can hear the same intensity of sound. And these two galleries are separated by 70 meters. Listen. Suppose if I take this distance as x, this distance is x. What should be this distance? Y we can take or otherwise 70 minus x. This is x and this one is 70 minus x. You can take it as y and then convert to 70 minus x. Or now itself it is 70 minus x. Okay. And then the another thing given is ratio of the intensity of the sound is equal to ratio of the squares of the corresponding distances. Listen. Here the person P is standing here. Intensity of sound. What do you mean by intensity of sound? Here. Intensity of sound or voice for one singer, go to keep this in mind. One singer is 10 power minus 8 watt per meter square. Intensity of sound for one singer is 10 power minus 8 watts per meter square. So in gallery 1, 4 singers are there. So what is the intensity of sound for 4 singers? Therefore, intensity of sound for 4 singers is 4 into 10 power minus 8 watts per meter square. Similarly, intensity of sound for 9 singers in gallery 2 9 into 10 power minus 8 watts per meter square. Here given, listen, given ratio of the intensity of the sound, that is 4 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 9 into 10 power minus 8 is equal to squares of the ratio of the squares of the corresponding distance. Ratio of the squares of here this distance, we take the square, x square. This distance also I take the square, 70 minus x the whole square. So I can cancel here 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 8, I get 4 by 9. X square by okay. Even now I can take square roots also. I take the positive square root. So 2 by 3 is equal to x divided by 70 minus x. Taking square root. Now I cross multiply 3 into x, 3x, 2 into 70 minus x. 2 into 70, 140, 2 into minus x, minus 2x. Take this minus 2x here, so 5x, 140, x is equal to 28 meters. Therefore, y is equal to, we didn't take y, 70 minus x. 70 minus x is equal to 70 minus 28, that is equal to 42 meters. So the person must be at a distance of 28 meters from gallery 1 and 42 meters from gallery 2 to hear the same intensity of voice. Therefore, the person must stand at a distance of 28 meters from G1 and 42 meters per annum. You remember this, the intensity of voice or sound for one singer is 10 power minus 8. So for 4 singers it is 4 into, 9 singers 9 into. Ratio of these two is equal to ratio of the squares of these two distances. Squares of these two distances. Very simple. Okay? Thank you.